In this video, I am going to show you how to join Coinbase affiliate program to earn commissions by promoting Coinbase. 1. Go to the Coinbase affiliate page and look for the application form. Fill in all the required details accurately, including your personal information, promotional strategies, and platform you plan to use. After submitting your application, Coinbase will review it and ensure it meets criteria. Once your application is approved, you'll be given access to promotional assets and impact tracking software. These tools are designed to help you effectively promote Coinbase and track your results. Utilize the promotional assets to link to Coinbase in your articles, blog posts, or social media updates. You can also create new content specifically designed to attract potential Coinbase users. If you have a website, consider placing ads or banners that link to Coinbase. Make sure these ads are placed in strategic locations to catch the attention of your audience. Use the impact tracking software to monitor how many new customers are joining Coinbase through your promotions. For each new customer that signs up to Coinbase using your referral and meets the required criteria, you'll earn a commission. The specifics of the commission structure will be outlined in your affiliate agreement. Tips is just you have to understand your audience, stay updated, and comply with guidelines of Coinbase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.